Hi Luke, I wanted to give you a little demo of getting a program to run in Visual Basic. So if I go and run Visual Basic, this may not be exactly the same version, but it should look very similar. We're going to make a new project. We're going to make a console application. I can give it a name down here if I want to, like, let's call this Temp1. Screen will change, and now we're going to be at a point where we can type a program in. Some of the lines are already here. I'm going to grab your program lines and just paste them in here so we can get this going. Now, if something was mistyped, there'd be underlines in here. There'd be problems, like if I misspelled integer, it's going to underline it, and we know there's something wrong. It will try to help us as we're typing. When I'm ready to get this to test it to see if it really works, I can either use this play button right here, or I can go up to debug and say start debugging. It makes the program, it runs the program, and you notice there was a flash there when that little black box came up, the console box. Problem with Visual Basic is it doesn't wait for you to see the answer. So I'm going to add one more line in your program. A read line. And read line will make it wait for us to press a key. So now when I run it, there's the output window. Our answer is a 0. And if we think about that a minute, we had a 1 and a 1, and you subtracted them. 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. We're going to see a 0 printed out. And then the read line waits there until we press an enter key. Let me just change the program a little bit. Suppose I make that a 10. If I want to see a little message printed out with this, I could say something like, the answer is. Then if I want to combine these two here things, I'd use an ampersand, an and sign. That lets me see. Whoops, I spelled answer wrong, didn't I? Okay. Now let me run it. And you can see it 10 and 1. 10 minus 1 is going to be a 9. The answer is 9. If I wanted to see a space in there, I could just put a space after that S. And now when I go up and run it again, the answer is 9. Okay, then from this point you can go to File and save it, and save your project if you wish. It's just a matter of typing your lines inside the Visual Basic main section. Hope this helps you. Talk to you later.